Hello traders, how are you? Hope you are fine. Hope you had a nice trading week. All right, and how are you preparing for the new week? Hope great. My name is Emeka and I'm bringing you another important subject today. All right, like you know, my goal and our vision for this YouTube channel is to provide you with valuable trainings and information you need to excel in forex trading. All right, I want you to excel, and that is my vision, to help as many upcoming traders as possible to be successful. I want to share all I've learned over the years in forex trading. All right, so please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Several of you are watching my videos but you have not subscribed. Please kindly support this channel by subscribing to our channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be alerted first and know and you don't miss it. Okay, also share our videos and like our videos. All right, it helps YouTube algorithm to rank the videos more on the channel, so that more traders can benefit from what we share here for free. All right, you can also join our free Telegram group. There I send chart analysis on several pairs in the group, our Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description box of this video. Okay, so now let's get into the subject for today. Now, don't trade forex. All right, don't trade forex. Don't trade forex if. All right, I want you to know that this subject is very, very important. The video for today is a reality check. It's a reality check for you to know if forex is actually worth it. All right, it's a reality check. So I want to share with you seven signs that forex trading might not be for you. Sincerely, forex trading is not for everyone. Okay, forget about what people are saying. Forget about what several fake gurus are saying online and on YouTube. Okay, this channel is created for transparency and for honesty. All right, so I will tell you the truth as it is. There are 7 things you should consider, 7 signs that forex trading might not be for you. And I want to let you know that forex trading is not for everybody. Okay, anybody that is telling you that forex trading is for everybody, that person is not being sincere with you. Okay, I won't cheat, I won't lie to you. It's not for everybody. So personally, I believe that you should know that what you are getting yourself into before choosing to proceed with learning how to trade forex. Okay, I'll be sharing with you about 7 forex trading, for 7 reasons that might show that forex trading might not be for you. 7 things you should see, or you should assess yourself against, to know that forex trading might not be for you, or it might be for you. All right, number 1, you want to get rich quick. Okay, you want to get rich quick, or you want a get rich quick scheme. Forex trading is not a get rich quick scheme, but a get rich slow scheme. If you really think that forex trading will make you rich overnight, my dear, I want to tell you that you should forget it. You just don't continue. Forget it. Forex trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, if you're coming to forex trading with a gambling mindset or a get rich quick mindset, then I tell you, it's going to lead you to pains and failure. Okay, it's going to lead you to pain and failure. It's going to leave you worse than you came into the business with. Okay, worse than you were before you came into forex trading. Forex trading is going to deal with you if you are coming with the wrong mindset. Okay, so professional forex trading is a business, and you should treat it as such if you want to succeed. Okay, it's a business. It's a serious-minded business, just as with other businesses you have in the secular world. Forex trading is a business, and you should treat it as such. It's not gambling. Although there is a thin line between forex trading and gambling, but forex trading is not gambling. So if you treat forex trading like a gambling, you come in with $100 and you want to make $1 million or $10,000. You want to flip $100 to $10,000 in one day, my dear, you'll be calling for trouble. Emotional pain and depression will be your portion if you don't trade forex with the right mindset. Okay, so I said that if you are coming into forex with the get rich quick scheme mindset, then, my dear, forex trading might not be for you. Number 2, you don't like uncertainties. You don't like uncertainty. You're the kind of person that you don't like to deal with uncertainties, then forex trading might not be for you. Now, no business is 100%, no business on the planet has 100% success rate. In fact, according to statistics, several businesses, over 50% of businesses fail within the first 5 years. Okay, so forex trading is the same. There is no guarantee in forex trading that you're going to make it. But I will tell you along the line how to be successful if you really want to do this business. Nothing is 100% sure in forex trading. No strategy gives you 100% win rate. Okay? Trading results are random in the short term, but predictable over a large sample of trades. Now, if you click on buy, if your strategy has a win rate of 70%, it does not mean that if you take 7 trades, okay, if you take 7 trades out of 10, that the first 7 trades will be wins. No. If your strategy has 70% win rate, your first 3 trades can be losses. Your first trade might be a win. The second one might be a loss. So it is random in the short term, but over a large sample of trades, with statistical data, you can be able to say that, okay, this strategy has so and so win rate. And so it is predictable that if you continue trading the system continually, regardless of losses, regardless of wins, and keeping risk constant, you should be profitable. That is forex trading for you. So no person can perfectly predict the market in all time. It's all a game of probabilities. So 1 + 1 isn't always 2 in forex trading. Okay? You cannot always say this trade must win. This trade is going to win. No. But over a large sample of trades, you can be assured that your system, if all trading rules of your trade strategy is followed to the letter, okay, you should come out profitable regardless of losses, any loss you encounter. So that is the game of probability. So successful forex trading is a game of what? It's a game of probability. So successful forex traders use probability in their favor. So if you are not ready to think in probability, you don't want to continue trading forex, because forex trading is a game of probabilities, not certainties. Okay? Now, number 3, you don't want to learn before earning. If you come into forex trading thinking that you know it, the market is going to humble you. Every successful forex trader today was humbled by the market, and they now sit down to learn how to trade before they become successful. Forex trading, you must lose before you start earning. The reason is because forex trading is designed in contrary with human psychology. Natural human instinct, natural human psychology is at variance with forex trading, because human beings want to be right all the time. But in forex trading, you need to be wrong sometimes and be right sometimes. We'll deal more about this in the subsequent point. All right. So if you don't want to learn before you earn, then don't trade forex. If you don't want to be flexible and open to invest months or years to learn how to trade and to practice how to trade, then don't trade forex. Okay, people spend 4 years or more to become an accountant, a lawyer, a dentist, a doctor, a tailor, a banker, a baker, okay, and other professions. Yet nobody or very few people are willing to spend months or years to learn how to trade the proper way and to become profitable and successful. So if you don't want to learn how to trade before you start trading, the market will take its tuition fee from you. You need a mentor. If you don't want to get a mentor to teach you how to trade, then the market would collect its tuition fee from you in form of losses. Okay? The market will humble you. But when you submit yourself to a mentor, your learning curve will be shortened. Your learning curve will be shortened. That you avoid some mistakes. The forex market is not for try and error. You cannot enter into the forex market with try and error mentality. You get burnt. You burn your hands. It's a very big. Is a big market that has many players globally that are more positioned than you, have more money than you. So you are just like a dot in the market, in the global forex market industry. So you must come in with armed. You must come in armed. And being armed is being trained, having the psychology, being trained. All right. In over YouTube, you can get a lot of information in YouTube about trading, but that is not mentorship. That is not education. Education in forex trading comes through mentorship, supervised mentorship. That is how education comes in forex trading. YouTube, online, you get scattered information here and there, but you will not really be as successful as if you are trained by a mentor. Okay, so I can be your mentor if you want. Just send me a message on my Telegram, or on this on the notification box on the you can get my Telegram group from the notification box of this video. Over there you will see my contact. I'll be willing to train you, to mentor you personally until you become good in this business. I'll see to it that you become good. All right, so now let's move to the number 4 point. You are emotionally unstable. Another reason why you should not trade forex is if you are emotionally unstable. Forex trading is not for the faint-hearted. Forex trading is an emotionally draining business, okay? Because you cannot predict the market all the times, market direction all the times. So if you're not emotionally stable, don't trade forex. You must work seriously. This is part of the things that we work on. When in a mentorship training, we work on your psychology until you become psychologically neutral, emotionally neutral in all your trades. Whether a trade is winning or losing, you become psychologically neutral. No, you are not happy or sad at the outcome of one trade or two trades. You think long term, you think in probabilities. Okay, so that is psychology. Forex is for the strong-hearted. Okay, I can't stress this enough. It's for the strong-hearted. It's not for the faint-hearted. It's not for babies, whom when a trade is going to their favor and reverses, they start to cry. No. Or whom a trade is losing, then they close the trade. Or a trade is winning, they cannot wait for the trade to hit final take profit. They exit the trade. No, forex trading is for the emotionally stable persons. Now, number 5, you can't accept being wrong sometimes. Now, the human mind is conditioned to be right, to try to be right all the times. That is why while you are in school, we are trained to be right all the times. If we fail an exam, we cry. If we fail an exam, our parents punishes us. All right, our parents punish us when we fail exams. Or when we don't do well in school, they scold us. No room for failure. But in forex, you need to learn to be wrong and accept being wrong. Okay? If you want to excel in forex trading and you don't want to accept being wrong sometimes, then you cannot excel. If you always want to be right all the times, then forex trading is not for you. Forex is for those who accept to be wrong sometimes and right sometimes. You will blow your account if you want to be right all the time, because some of us, when you are in a trade and the price starts coming close to your stop loss, most of us will shift our stop loss. Okay, and the price keeps on going. It gets to the point of your stop loss. Your stop loss has been shifted. It keeps on going, and you are incurring more losses, more floating losses, because you don't want to be wrong. Okay, so if you don't want to be wrong sometimes, forex trading will not be for you. So because you are likely to over leverage, taking more position because you feel that this trade must win. No, this trade must win. You take him up, you add more positions, you over leverage in order to recover losses. No, that is not for you. Forex trading is for the emotionally stable people and people who believe that they can be wrong sometimes and can be right sometimes, and they are able to harmonize their losses and wins, making sure that they lose the same amount per trade and they win more and lose less. Okay, so that when they win, their losses are accounted for, and they are left with net profit. So forex trading, successful forex traders think in probabilities. They know they can be wrong. They know they will have losses. Losses is constant, is a must. But when you don't want to have losses, you keep on moving your stop loss and you encounter a very big loss, which would eradicate or erase all profits you may have gotten in your previous trades. That is not professional forex trading. All right. Now, number 6, you are not patient. It takes patience to stay committed to your charts, to the charts, until you become a profitable and professional forex trader. It takes patience not to give up and to quit, even though you're not yet seeing success in your trading. Since I started forex trading several years ago, there have never been a day I've never opened my charts. Since I started forex trading years ago, there have never been one day that I have not opened my chart to look at the charts. That is commitment. Okay? That is, even with the years I was not profitable, I kept on moving forward. I kept on progressing. I kept on pushing ahead, pushing forward until today, until now that I'm seeing the results. I'm profitable. I'm successful. It takes patience to keep moving forward, even when you are not seeing results. Forex trading has transformed many lives, so it has made many wealthy men and women. I've seen several successful female traders, so it's not restricted to men only. Forex trading has made many successful people, men and women, over the globe. Okay, so you can't be an exception. You can't be an exception. I'm speaking this with from a heart of passion. Okay, you can't be an exception. It has transformed the lives of many, and this transformation happens only for the patient, to the patient. Over 90% of forex traders will quit within the first 1 year. Over 90% of forex traders will quit. Statistics have it. Over 90% of forex traders will quit. New forex traders, over 90% of them will quit within the first 1 year. Only few persist, and the few that persist, out of the 10% that are still in the game, only not more than 5% of them will still remain within the next 5 years of their trading career. So within the next 5 years, over 95% of new traders will quit within 5 years of trading. Only few that stick to the game, regardless of the difficulties, will reap the results, the fruits of it. Now, number 7, you are not disciplined. If you're not disciplined, forex trading is not for you. All right? It takes discipline to endure losing streaks and keep trading until your win comes, which will cover all your losses and give you net profits. All traders encounter losing streaks, but only the disciplined traders keep taking their trading signals regardless of the losses. If you're not disciplined, you keep moving from strategy to strategy. I've seen traders that keep on changing trading strategy every week, every month. Once they are encountering wins, they keep trading, and when they see losing streaks, they abandon the strategy and move to another strategy, not knowing that every strategy has its own winning streaks and losing streaks. And when you are not available in the days of your profitable, your winning streaks due to the previous losing streaks, you will not reap the benefits. So if you're not disciplined, you can't keep your trading plan and risk management rules. If you're not disciplined, you will not keep your number of trades you should take in a day, your lot sizes, your risk management. You cannot keep to it. And when you cannot stick to a trading plan, no matter how good your strategy is, it can never benefit you, can never make you profitable. Discipline makes trader. A good strategy in the hand of an undisciplined trader, an indisciplined trader, is a losing strategy. It's a failing strategy. In fact, an average strategy in the hand of a disciplined trader will make money. All right? So this discipline is vital in forex trading. If you cannot be disciplined, then don't waste your time. Just leave the business for goals. Leave the business. All right? So let's run. Am I trying to discourage you? Am I trying to discourage you from trading? No. I am by no way trying to discourage you from the business of forex trading. If, for example, and I'm a trader, so I cannot be discouraging you. No. I'm just trying to let you know that you need to do a reality check. You need to do a reality check and see if this is what if this is what you want to do. And if this is what you want to do, then you need to develop the right skills, the right traits, the right character that is needed, that are needed for success. All right. So if you are getting all these things we've just discussed, you can develop them, you can change them, you can develop them, and these are possible through mentorship. Okay. So if you are still not ready to be mentored and you don't want to learn these things, then please stop trading. It's not for you. You're not going to see success. I'm just telling you, you're going to see success. So if you can successfully trade Forex, be patient, be committed, be disciplined, be willing to learn, then I tell you, there's nothing you cannot do in life. I'm telling you from experience. There is perhaps, after the military training, Forex trading is perhaps the most difficult thing to do in life, right? Forex trading is valuable. The skills you develop through trading, these are life-saving, lifetime skills. Two trainings, I've done a bit of paramilitary training, all right? I've done a bit of paramilitary training, so I know a bit about military training. So to me, personally speaking, Forex trading and military trading are among the best trainings you can ever receive in life, because they prepare you to face any challenge in real life. All right, so Forex trading brings out the real person in you. It refines you, transforms you into a better person. It refines you and transforms you into a better person. So if you want to be a Forex trader, then sit up and quit yourself. Sit up and let's do this as a business. Let's do this as a business, and I assure you, if you can do this as a business, get committed, get disciplined, learn the right skills, you will see the results. I promise you will see the results. You look back over the years and say, oh, thank God I'm happy, I'm glad I did not give up on trading. I'm glad I did not give up on trading. And people will start calling you lucky, not knowing the sacrifices you made to learn. People call you lucky when you start making money in Forex, but they don't know the sacrifices you've made to develop the skills to succeed. All right? So I want you to succeed. That's why I'm bringing all this to you. I want you to succeed. Now I can be your partner in progress to succeed. All right? So thank you for viewing. Please, again, kindly subscribe to this channel, like our videos, share our videos with others, turn on the notification bell so that you can be alerted when new videos are posted. The link to our free Telegram group is in the description box of this video. If you want me to be your mentor, I'll be glad. It's a privilege. Just as a very subsidized rate fee is a privilege, kindly contact me via Telegram on the description box. The link to our Telegram group is in the description box of this video. All right? I will never DM you first. I will never shut you up first. Never. You shut up. Anybody who shuts you up claiming to be me, claiming to be from Trading with Emeka, is a scam. We don't shut people first. You shut us and we'll discuss. All right? I'll be willing to be your mentor. I'll be willing to be your guide in this. Even if you don't know anything in Forex trading, even if you're a newbie, total newbie, I've trained hundreds of traders and to be successful, and you too can be one. Thank you. God bless you and remain blessed. Have a beautiful week ahead.